What's good, guys? We live on the laptop in Poland. It is 12:54. I'm recording this a little late because I was with the fam earlier, and after I made these trades, I was just chilling with them, trying to stay off the devices. So yeah, bro, just to start off, like, look at this PA, man. Price action was so beautiful. This is every trader's dream. And yeah, man, we caught some big dubs today. So let's get into it. Before we get into the trades, I just want to talk about my buys coming into the day. Not gonna lie, I wasn't able to do too much technical analysis just because I was traveling yesterday and I got some family stuff I'm dealing with, so I wasn't really spending too much time on the charts. But coming into the day today, from what I saw in price, it looked very bearish. We had calm, broken structure on the 4 hour throughout the week, and then we were just kind of chopping around on Thursday. And then today in the morning, we have this beautiful move to the downside throughout like AM session. So this was telling me after this sweep of these um, previous day previous day lows, like Asia session lows, that price definitely wanted to go to the downside. There was just no, like, why would you trade against the trend? Um, so yeah, anyways, come to the morning today, I didn't trade New York Open, but after seeing this big move and price coming and taking out this sell side level, we smashed through it and then we came into equilibrium of it. I saw price nicely come down. We then created, I was watching ES as well, which is what I do all the time. We then created this SMT. ES came, swept out this low, and NQ did not. I'm sorry, this low, and NQ did not. I was then off of this sweep of liquidity. SMT looks like smart money's coming into place. I then look at the 1 minute. I look for a fair value gap, which was this 1 minute right here. We inversed it, and then I entered right here. I targeted for my first TP 15-minute highs and 1 hour highs, and then I left the runner for the 4 hours. Lately, I've gotten kind of a lot of FOMO because I'll TP too early and then the cons will end up running crazy. And it's like, it makes sense if we're taking out such a important level and then we're breaking structure, it's just worth it because the worst case scenario is that price comes back down and is like break even, so I'm not really losing anything except the little bit of time on of theta on my contracts because I'm trading options. For some reason, I haven't been very disciplined with futures trading, and that's something I need to talk about as well because it sometimes doesn't feel real, and it's very real. I'm paying for the account, so I got to be more disciplined on the futures. But options, I've been locked in. I've been banking on them lately. Anyways, we left the final con running. It took almost an hour, but we did end up smashing it. And I made like 250% on these cons. It was actually crazy. Like, I couldn't believe it. We had like a lot of areas of chop, and at these times I was just like chilling with the fam talking. Like in the back of my mind, I'm like, bro, this shit better hit. I better see that notification go off on my phone, and it did indeed. So then after that, I was just chilling. Price chopped hella when we swept this 4 hour level, came up higher. And then I was thinking potentially when I hop back on to see maybe after this 4 hour sweep, we catch a move to the downside and price exactly gave me my entry that I wanted. So zooming into the 1 minute, we had this fair value gap which was being held and respected earlier. We ran through that and I literally entered off of the run through, which isn't typical. I would usually wait for the close, but because we came wicked below, just seeing this selling pressure, it just, I don't know, I felt like price was continuing at the downside just based off of how like good PA was. We weren't really respecting fair value gaps throughout the day, so a little bit of a more risky trade, but I had a pretty tight stop. So if it did just end up going above this fair value gap, I wouldn't be risking too much. And I was entered at my TP was at this 1 hour right here. So price came down, hit it almost to a T, And I entered right here just because I'm on options, and if I waited this almost extra 40 minutes, my contracts would have got chopped out by theta. But if I was on options, I probably would have held to my 1 hour level because I mean, if I was on futures, I would be more disciplined and hit this level. Honestly, I don't know though because that's like 2 ticks away. So still two beautiful trades today, two dubs to end the weekend. And yeah, I know I'm a little quiet. I'm not trying to wake up my family, but yeah, man, great way to end the Friday. That's what I love about trading, man. Like I'm literally halfway across the room, and just because I have my computer and an internet connection, I can trade and make bread or lose bread. But yeah, man, I love this shit. I'm gonna make it big in this trading space and with everything I'm pursuing, bro. Like I'm so locked in. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, see you guys in next week. Peace.